In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete labels in Gmail. Whether you're looking to manage your inbox more efficiently or tidy up your email experience by removing unnecessary labels, I'll guide you through the process step by step, ensuring you have a clear understanding of each part. First, let's start by opening Gmail. Once you're signed in and your inbox is loaded, you'll notice a sidebar to the left of your screen. Scrolling down, you're going to see a More button. It might be tempting to overlook this little button, but it's crucial for accessing all your Gmail settings. Click on More, and a drop-down will expand, revealing an option named Manage Labels. Go ahead and select this. Now that you're in the Manage Labels section, what you'll see here is a comprehensive list of all your labels. These are organized in a way that allows you to easily scan through and decide which ones you might want to remove or edit. This is where you really get to customize your Gmail experience to better suit your current needs. In this section, there is a column specifically labeled Actions. It's here that you have the ability to either edit or remove your labels. For today's purpose, we are focusing on removing labels. As you survey your list, identify the label you wish to remove. To the right of that label's name, locate the Remove option. Clicking Remove initiates a prompt for you, a safety measure just in case you selected the wrong label unintentionally. This prompt is your final opportunity to verify your decision. It's important to note that once a label is removed, it disappears from the sidebar and any organization within it ceases to display. So, make sure you no longer need this label before taking the next step. After you've confirmed it's indeed the label you want to delete, go ahead and click Delete. And there you have it. Your label has been successfully removed. This will streamline your list and ideally make your email navigation just a bit smoother. Ultimately, knowing how to manage and delete labels is an essential skill for keeping your Gmail inbox neat and organized. It's all about customizing your email environment to make your digital life a bit easier. Just remember, anytime you have second thoughts or feel like you might need specific labels later down the line, they can always be recreated. So, take a few moments to go through your labels, maybe set aside some time every now and then to review how your inbox is organized. Doing so helps maintain efficiency in the long term and keeps your communication streamlined. Thank you for joining today, and I hope this step-by-step guide has been helpful. If you have any other questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Have a wonderful day.